Hey guys, thanks for joining me again. Today I just want to do a quick video of me harvesting some of my tomatoes from a volunteer tomato plant. Maybe this is going to be the shortest video I ever did. I never really came outside to do a video. It's raining and I thought that I should come and check on my tomatoes because these birds have been trying to get them before I do. So let me get them on that side. I have to make sure that I come and get them before they do. All right, even this one I'm going to get. Nah, I think I'll leave that one. But this volunteer plant, oh my God. I am so proud of it right now. Very, very proud of it, guys. It has been giving me a lot of tomatoes the past few weeks. And there's still a lot left on it to harvest. Oh Lord, have mercy. Yes, guys. And here are some bell peppers just coming out. These are some sweet peppers. I think I might have to do another video for these sweet peppers. Oh my goodness, I am super excited with my production this year. So guys, I think that's it for now. I only wanted to harvest a few tomatoes, and because I was close to my peppers, I just wanted to show you guys so they're looking like. Look at peppers. And that's just one plant. I have several other plants. Several plants, guys. I have another plant here. I don't have a lot of peppers as the other one, but very soon I will. Okay. Alrighty. Here's another one. Yes. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to do this. I have to wait for my next garden update to show you guys. Alright? So thanks for watching, and join me again soon with another video from my garden. Bye.